good afternoon, boys and girls. It's me, Miss Denise, and Ollie the Crow, and we are going to read our story. So it's story time with Miss Denise and Ollie, and we're going to read a really fun book. I was not here last week reading a story because guess where I was? I was on vacation. How many of you guys have ever gone on vacation? Lots of you have. Vacation is lots of fun, isn't it? Yeah. Well, I went camping, and when I went camping, I did all kinds of cool things. I went whitewater rafting. Yeah, have you ever been whitewater rafting before? I was a little bit afraid to do it, but guess what? I took a chance, and I did it, even though I was a little scared. And I had an awesome time. It was so much fun. Yeah, it was. Oh my goodness. And I went rock climbing. I had never been rock climbing before. I climbed up this tall rock, and it was taller than my house. That's how tall it was. I was really scared to do that because I was going to climb all the way from the bottom of the rock to the very tip top of the rock. Yeah, way up, just like that, Ollie. Yes. And I was really afraid to do that. But I took a chance and I did it. And guess what? I had an awesome time. It's my new favorite thing to do, to go rock climbing. Oh, I did all kinds of other things, and I'll tell you about some of those after we read our story. But before we read our story, we need to sing our hello song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you. Hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, good job, Ollie. Okay, I'm going to read our fun story today. It is called, What Do You Do with a Chance? I was just talking about taking a chance, wasn't I? Yeah, I was. This is written by Kobe Yamada. What do you do with a chance? I wonder what this book will be about. Here's our title page. What do you do with a chance? One day, I got a chance. It just seemed to show up. It acted like it knew me, as if it wanted something. I didn't know why it was here. What do you do with a chance? I wondered. So this boy saw a chance. It's like, what do I do with a chance? It fluttered around me. It brushed up against me. It circled me as if it wanted me to grab it. I started to reach for it. Oh, but I was unsure, so I pulled back. So it flew away. He was a little afraid, wasn't he? So he didn't grab that chance. I thought about it a lot. I wished I had taken my chance. I realized that I really wanted it, but I still didn't know if I had the courage. See, he's thinking, he really wanted to take that chance, but he was a little bit afraid. Look, he's got a friend that's joining him. When another chance came around, I wasn't so sure, but I decided to try. He's gonna try again. Do you think he'll grab it? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. I went to reach for it. Oh, and I missed. And I fell. I was embarrassed and I felt foolish. It seemed like everyone was looking at me. I decided I never wanted to feel this way again. He tried to grab for the chance, but he fell, and so he felt kind of embarrassed. So after that, whenever a chance came along, I ignored it. Ignore it means he paid no attention to it. He didn't try and get that chance. And the more I ignored it, the less they came around. He didn't see very many chances anymore. Until one day I noticed that I hadn't seen a chance in quite a while. It was as if they had all disappeared. I started to worry. What if I don't get another chance? I know I acted like I didn't care, but the truth was I did. I still wanted to take a chance, but I was afraid. And I wasn't sure if I would ever be brave enough. He was afraid, but he wanted to take a chance. Well, then I thought, well, maybe I don't have to be brave all the time. Maybe I just need to be brave for a little while at the right time. I realized that it was all up to me. He's thinking about it. He's got his friends with him. He's got his little fox. And there's his bear friend, a bunny friend. Maybe they're giving him a little bit of courage. I promised myself that if I ever got another chance, I wasn't going to hold back. If I got another chance, I was going to be ready. He's looking. Then, one seemingly ordinary day, I saw something shining far off in the distance. Is it possible? I hoped. Could this be my chance? Do you think it's a chance? I don't know. Let's see. I sure hope it is for him. I had to find out. So I ran as hard and as fast as I could toward it. I don't know how to explain it, but the second I let go of my fears, I was full of excitement. Now he's excited instead of so afraid. It wasn't that I was no longer afraid, but my excitement was bigger than my fear. See, he was more excited than he was afraid. As I got closer, I could see that this was a really huge chance. Look how big it is. Oh my, that is big. Do you think he's going to go for it? But this time, I was ready. As it came by, I reached out and I grabbed it and I held on with all of my might. Oh, it felt so good to soar, to fly, to be free. I now see that when I hold back, I miss out. And I don't want to miss out. There's just so much that I want to see and do and discover. So, what would you do with a chance? You take it, because it might be the start of something incredible. Wasn't that a fun story? Oh, my favorite, one of my favorite books by far. So basically what that book is telling you is, yeah, you're going to be faced with things that maybe you might be afraid to do, but you have to take a chance. Because if you take a chance, you could then experience something that is fantastic and so much fun, just like I did when I went on vacation and I went rock climbing. I took a chance and I went mountain biking. I'd never been mountain biking before in a mountain. I was really afraid, but I took a chance and I had such a good time. And my white water rafting, I took a chance. Zip lining, I took a chance. I had lots of fun because I took a chance. I want you guys to tell me of some times where you were afraid to try something. You were a little bit afraid, maybe to ride your bike for the very first time, or maybe you were afraid to go to a birthday party, or maybe you were afraid to play a new sport. Tell me about a time that you were a little bit afraid, but you took a chance and you had fun. Would you do that? Okay, all right. That was a fun story. Thank you guys for joining Ollie and I while we read that book. Okay, we are going to sing our goodbye song. So will you sing with Ollie and I? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Okay, Ollie, you gotta blow those kisses. Okay, are you guys ready to catch? Okay. Mwah! 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 Oh, good job, Ollie. Will you blow kisses to Ollie so he can catch them? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? All righty, he's a-looking. Oh, there's one. Get it. There's one right there. Oh, and another big one right in the middle. Oh, yes. Good job. Thanks again, boys and girls, for joining us, and we will see you next week with another story with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.